Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another Amazon haul. Lately, I have been non-stop on Amazon. Like, I am not joking. I have been non-stop. So I have some great items to share with you. I think a lot of these, no, not like a lot, but like maybe quite a bit of them are going to be beauty products, household products, fashion items, etc. And side note, I am back in my normal filming setup. I haven't been in this room in months. So this might look a little new to you guys if any of you are new, but I am back in my normal filming setup. It took a while to get everything adjusted to the way I needed it to be, but I am back. But besides the point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what goodies I picked up from Amazon, then just keep watching. First off is a beauty device from Project eBeauty. I've mentioned them in many videos. They're really cool because they have a ton of different like skincare devices that target different concerns. So this one right here is their portable rechargeable galvanic device. That's what it looks like. So before I open up the box and show you what comes in it and how I use it, I just want to give a little brief description instead of me trying to explain it to you from the pamphlet that it comes with. It says that galvanic treatments work in a natural and harmless way. This treatment achieves maximum results by penetrating active substances into the tissues where they act on circulation to bring about an improvement in the vascular and lymphatic interchange in the area. It says this device utilizes a two-part treatment. First being de-incrustation, which is the positive ion, I believe. And it says that that will prepare the skin for the next step, which is iontophoresis, which is the negative, which is used to assist nutrients, creams, etc. into the skin for optimal results. This safe, non-invasive technology can be beneficial in the treatment of many skin conditions, such as improving skin texture, firming the skin, reducing redness, reducing circulation, and more. So this is the container that the device comes in, and this is what the device looks like. Now, it comes with two attachments. This attachment and then this roller attachment. Now this attachment right here is more for like smaller areas like around the nose and the eyes, and I actually had this attachment on because this is the one I used last night. I was targeting underneath my eyes. Now when you use this or this, obviously you have to disinfect it first, and you want to use like a hyaluronic acid serum or some serum that's not going to dry up really quickly because you need it to keep rolling, and if your skin kind of absorbs it quickly, it's going to leave your skin dry, and it's just not that easy to like work this product. So as I was saying earlier, I had this on last night, but I'm going to show you what it looks like when you turn it on. So that's what it looks like turned on, and it will work when applied to the skin, and you have to kind of be holding the sides like so. And I'm going to turn it on to positive, which lights up blue, negative, lights up red. It's really easy to use. And then the intensity is this little like dial right here, but honestly I have it like on the lowest intensity, like 3, because you feel this device working. And then this attachment right here I use more on like my smile lines, and then I go up on my forehead. You always want to go in like an upward motion, but again the pamphlet walks you through it. So yeah, this is just for bigger areas, but I'm using this for wrinkles and for firmness underneath my eyes. So yeah, I've been really liking this so far. It's super easy to use, easier than the MyoLift that I have. You guys, I use this watching TV, especially like for example if I'm gonna do underneath my eyes. I just turn this on and I just do this. The pamphlet walks you through, depending on what areas you're targeting, what directions to go and everything like that. So I figured I would shout this out. If you guys are interested in this galvanic device, I will have this linked down below if you guys are interested. So next is a repeat purchase, but the last time I purchased this was maybe well over a year ago, and many of you have probably never seen this before, but it is replacement heads for my Philips Sonicare toothbrush, my electric toothbrush. Now this one's like the cheapest one, this electric toothbrush, but it gets the job done. Let's be honest, electric toothbrushes can be like $50, $100, $150. Even dentists try to sell you the most expensive electric toothbrush. I just have this cheap one. I don't know exactly, with inflation, it might even be 30 bucks by now. But anyways, after a while, the bristles on the head, they just go down the tube. You need to replace it. So instead of buying the Philips Sonicare ones, which are more expensive, I resorted to Amazon and I got this 6-pack for, I want to say $20. So I literally just put this on, I think maybe a little less than a week ago, and all you do, and just disregard any, you know, kind of scum you might see on my toothbrush, but I just physically wanted to show you this. that's it. That's how they come. And then you just twist them back on and you're good to go. So many of you probably have electric toothbrushes. Even if you don't have this exact one, just go on Amazon. This 6-pack came it came in a pack of 6 for $20, and it's nice because 3 of them had pink and then 3 of them had green. So like that's how I differentiate kind of between my husband's and mine. So I did want to mention that any kind of attachments for toothbrushes, you could get them cheaper on Amazon if you don't want to buy like the exact name brand. And then next, I'm really excited about this, and hopefully like I last using it. So they are these Mr. Siga is the brand, microfiber cleaning cloths. Obviously these could be multi-purpose, but the reason why I bought these is for cleaning countertops in my kitchen, because I go through paper towels all the time. I am cleaning surfaces in my kitchen multiple times of the day or even around the house, and I'm using like, you know, Mrs. Meyer's or Method or whatever, and I'm always using paper towels and always wasting them. And paper towels are super expensive, like really right now super expensive, you guys. So I'm like, you know what, maybe I should try using these you know, microfiber cloths and then just washing them so that I'm not buying paper towels all the time. And obviously, you know, it's more eco-friendly, not using as much paper. So I'll have to keep you guys posted. I just love using paper towels all the time, but it's getting to the point where my grocery bill is just super expensive. Like I'm trying to kind of cut down costs because this inflation is just out of control. We're not going to even go on that rant, you guys. But anyway, so yeah, I picked up these to kind of test out and just kind of use these to wipe down surfaces and clean. And they were pretty affordable. I think they were maybe like around $10, but I will have them linked down below. Okay, so I have 3 beauty / skincare items left and then 2 fashion items. So we're just gonna go back to kind of like the beauty skincare. So I know in a previous video I had mentioned that I was going to try the Kiss liner lash glue, and as soon as I got this, like I can't tell you how obsessed I was with this. I thought that this was a game changer. I was super obsessed, ranting and raving about it. I still like it, you guys, but I do find that throughout the day that right here or right here, my lash will start to pop off. It is super easy. Like I would say if you just want to apply lashes, but you don't like applying lashes, you're not good at it, get this. It's super easy. All you do is just line your lash line and pop it on. It is so easy. But what I do find again is that depending on like how well I squeeze, it starts to kind of flick off over here. So I'm still going to use this. If you're in a rush, I would definitely 100% use this. I did use this today, but to use on other people, like when I'm doing makeup on other people, I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to go back to the glue because I just don't want to chance it. If you have any other tips with this, let me know. I still really like this product. Again, if you kind of are a newbie, 100% would recommend this. I'm just finding that I do throughout the day find it kind of popping off on the corners, which naturally that's where your lash is going to pop off. And then next I have the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I really like this. I think I've mentioned this before. It's kind of just, you know, one of my favorite lash serums, so I just got a new one in. I don't think I got this from Amazon, but I will link it down below. I just wanted to include it and share it with you. I do like to use lash serums because they do help to really enhance your lashes. This one is one of the best that I use. And then, you know, I don't wear lashes every single day, so I do like to wear mascara, but if I don't use these lash enhancers, I just feel like I look like I have no lashes, you guys. So I really like this one. You get really quick results with it. It's really easy to apply. I apply it at nighttime. You could apply it twice, but I tend to apply these just at nighttime, not in the morning. You've probably obviously heard of this. They have the Grande Brow, etc. But I would 100% recommend the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. And then next, this is a repeat purchase. I never thought that I would be buying like a Covergirl moisturizer that I love so much, but this is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. So I just ran out of my last one and purchased a new one. They have a couple other ones. They have like a water hydration one. This is still hydrating, and then I think think they have like a correcting one. So this says 24 hours hydration, but why I like this is to mattify the skin. I mentioned in a previous video, when I wake up in the morning lately, I just noticed that around my nose, it's just super oily, like around here. Never used to be. And so this, as soon as I put it on, it's like completely matte, no oil. And then the other reason why I love this, because I can put this on underneath makeup and have no issues. I do not like to put any products on underneath my skin when I'm going to be applying makeup. I don't want to chance it, especially eye serums and even just moisturizers and etc. I just don't like to chance it. This mattifies your skin, so this is great for prepping the skin and to go on with a primer. I have no issues with this, you guys. I really like this as a daytime moisturizer, and again, to wear under makeup to mattify. So I did get this off Amazon. It's for a drugstore product, it's a little bit pricey. I think it's about like $15, but a little bit goes a long way, and I do kind of like the smell of it, but it's kind of like almost like a light baby pink color. So I really do like this. You only need a little bit of it, so I would definitely recommend this Covergirl moisturizer. And then I believe I have like 2 products left, so I feel like I always do this. I'm always showing you slippers. I just got a new pair of Faux Fur Slippers last week. The last ones that I had here were they were just pretty much worn down. I think I had them for like 5 or 6 months, so I tend to, you know, get a new pair every like, 4 to 6 months, because I do pretty much live in these slippers, you guys. And they range from like $20 to $15. I think these were, you know, right under $20. But instead of going for the cross faux fur, I decided to just go back to this style. I don't know if you want to call this more of like a scuff style, but I really like this. These are really comfortable. I had no issues with them, and it's just really fluffy right here. So I will link these down below, because sometimes it's hit or miss. And with these faux fur slippers, some of them on Amazon come with like a huge platform. I don't like that, so you got to be kind of pay attention to that, because I've ordered some before, and I just don't like the, you know, it's probably, if I had to guess, I'd say this is maybe like half an inch, so maybe it's like an inch platform. I just don't like it, but I guess it's personal preference. So I did get another pair of faux fur slippers. And then this last item, I think this is the last item, I'm going to insert a picture. I did purchase another bathrobe. I have this in kind of like a darker, kind of more hot pink, if you, not hot pink, but it's like a darker pink than this. This is a baby pink, but this is the Just Love bathrobes, and it's kind of got like a almost, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, and this camera, as opposed to the camera I've been using for the last few months, this does not focus well. Like, I have to like stand back because the autofocus just sucks on it if I get close up. But it's kind of got like a shell print design on it. I will insert a picture again so you could see. Tons of colors. I've watched this already like 2 times, and it's just so soft. I live in these again, so I thought for spring I would get this like light pink color. So if I wasn't filming right now, I would be wearing this, because prior to putting this shirt on, I was in this. I live in this bathrobe. I would highly recommend these, and they're pretty affordable. They're like, I want to say they're under $30. Sometimes they were like around $25 to $29. Everything's higher with inflation, and I did see like pretty much Amazon is like raising their costs for like something to do with the fees that sellers have to pay. So what does that mean? That comes down to us paying more for their products. Just how it works, you guys. But anyways, I think that's it for everything. I have, or I am expecting a few more Amazon orders. So once they all come in and I get them situated, I will make another Amazon haul. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these items. If you're thinking of trying out any of these items, I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.